So I know I'm getting old, like I'm not yet 30, but like things that were like state of the art when I was like 8 years old are becoming retro.
How about the big old beta cam?
Oh yeah, or like Y2K running shoes. It's like, oh, things from my childhood are getting nostalgia cycled.
Oh yeah.
I'm gonna die.
No, there's so many times since I was like a baby.
Somewhere I have a digital camera that like uses floppy disks as storage. Like it was just like a hand-me-down, so.
Push up, up to your left.
All right, prepare to cry, everybody.
All right, let's ride.
Oh my god. Y'all gotta get a picture in the train.
I'm so sad.
Oh, I didn't see your mom.
I'm so sad.
All right,
Here we go.
last one.
It's so quiet here now.
Yeah,
I know.
the crowds are gone.
It's eerie.
Thank y'all for humoring us.
Yes. Thanks for dealing with coaster enthusiasts. Are we gonna be on YouTube now?
You might be actually. It does a 360.
If you're in a big enough group of coaster people, like chances are like there's some.
You gotta wave at everybody. All right, time to cry.
Hope it goes to a good home.
You can still see the guide wheels are spinning, or you can
Yeah.
hear them.
Yeah, they're still spinning.
Those guide wheels in like in the middle, it's still spinning.
Yeah, they're still spinning. You can see it. You can see the paws right here too.
Thank you guys so much.
Thank you.
I gotta get a picture.
Push up, like to your left. I didn't hear the thing go.
Oh, there's Coaster Course. They're going for the last ride.
Yeah.
Y'all take care, right?
All right, at least I guess I got the last public. You guys got the last.
Oh yeah.
Oh my god.
Woo! Let's go, guys. I'm gonna cry. Oh, John, you made it to the
Yeah.
last ride.
Yeah, the last public ride. Hey. Last public ride. And I think Coaster Force is up on the last one.
I got you.
The last official one has been.
The last official one is ran. That's right. That's the last public available ride.
You got front row, right?
Yeah, got front row, the last official public.
Sarah and Danny should be the very last. Not so without any